Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let
Hey,
you
welcome to
go.
Jack
Never
to
gonna say
Jeep,
goodbye.
vlog number 15. So I just got off the phone with a gentleman in Canada, and he's going to be hooking me up with this wicked code for his product, but I don't want to give too much details on it until I get the product, so you're gonna have to stay tuned for that one. But in the meantime, I'm gonna give you guys a quick update on what's going on. So this weekend I'm gonna be going to Colorado for a 7-mile snow run for the Wheelers for the Wounded Colorado chapter. Wheelers for the Wounded, what they do is they get disabled vets and they take them out four-wheeling. If they don't have a Jeep, they'll let them, hop in a Jeep with them and just go four-wheeling, take them out, have fun with that. They raise money for the Honor Flight, which it takes veterans of foreign wars to DC. Sorry, there's an emergency vehicle I'm pulling over. What else is going on? So I have a video I'm trying to upload, but actually trying to upload it for 2 or 3 days. I'm switching from Filmora, the old editing software that I used. I went and purchased a monthly trial for Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro. And I'm having a heck of a time downloading it and getting the export to YouTube, trying to figure that out. I keep getting this error code 401. Not sure what's going on. Hopefully I can get that fixed. I'm trying to export it right now as we speak to my laptop, save it there, then maybe I can get it to download into YouTube. I'm trying to explore with that, just trying to figure out the Premiere Pro. I want something a little bit better, a little different, so you guys will be seeing some new stuff coming out on that. But again, I am going to be going four-wheeling this weekend, I hope, with the Wheelers for the Wounded, so stay tuned for that one also. What else is going on here with Jack the Jeep? Oh, I am 2 weeks away and about $1,200 away from getting my 488 gears in my Jeep. I'm actually going to be doing that the first week of April, so I don't know exactly what that's going to look like for videoing. Nonetheless, be watching for that video, an update. I'm going to do a little test for a before and after on how my Jeep performs with that. So that's going to run me about $2,400 to get all that purchased and installed. It's already purchased. I already gave them $1,200, so I just want to make sure I have the money before get the work done. So anyway, thanks for watching Jack to Jeep. Please click subscribe, hit the bell, that way you can be notified of any new content. Also, please share it with your friends, that way helps me grow this channel. Thanks again for watching Jack to Jeep, and leave it better than you found it.